This is CAT S53, and today I would like to show how you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Settings app, then enter the Network and Internet category. If you would like to see your non-operator or VLAN data usage, go for the Wi-Fi, and in here go for the Wi-Fi data usage. On the other hand, if you would like to see the amount of cellular data you have used, get back to the Network and Internet page, go for the mobile network, then tap at the SIM card you would like to check the mobile data usage for. And at the top of the page, as you can see, the amount of cellular data used through the last 30 days will be displayed, as well as if you'll have any actual mobile data usage, you'll be able to see detailed statistics. So let me quickly turn the mobile data on in order to show you. Not sure what SIM card I've chosen to be my preferred mobile data. So data preference. So let's see. Yep, so as you can see, the slightest amount of cellular data usage appeared. So now the app data usage section is available. You can tap on it and check your mobile data usage statistics. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.